to solve this Pyraminx. Before we begin, don't forget to mix up your Rubik's Cube. Okay, now that we have our cube mixed up, what we're going to do is start with finding a corner that does not have any yellow. This one, for me, does not have any yellow on it, so we're going to put it on top. Now we're going to turn all the corners until they line up, like this. Okay, and then we're going to turn the yellow corners until they're all on the bottom, so like this. And they're now all on the bottom. Then we're going to find another yellow one, and then we'll find its corresponding color, which this one is green. So moving over, so then it's right here. So if we turn it down this way, it would be in the yellow that we want. What we're going to do to get this right, the green has to be lined up and the yellow has to be on your right side. Then you bring it up, over, and then down. Do that again until all your bottoms are in the right place. Now, you're going to have almost all solved right now, actually. So what you're going to do, you're going to find one side and move it until it lines up with the other two sides, so like this. Then you're going to put that in the back, and then you're going to do this algorithm. Down, down, up, up, over, down. It may not instantly solve it like it did for me, but it might. It normally will make you do, will normally take you to this spot, where all the colors are in the right spot except for the sides just need to be over one. So what we're going to do, we're going to get it so the tops and middles kind of lined up, and then if we want our sides to go that way, we do this. Up, no, up, over, down, over, up, over, down. Then we have it all solved. And if you want it to go like this way, then you're going to do the same but backwards. So up, over, down, over, up, over, down. And there is that very simple way to solve your Pyraminx.